fucking Jasna! No! C'est cool. Comment on lock ça?
Hey y'all, so I made it to the lash salon. This is my before. This is after Bodylicious Bookie Bear, period. We made it to Fresh Kitchen. I went inside now. And I'm about to order my food. So this is me ordering the food. Got some rice. What is that, mashed potatoes? I don't know what that is. And then I got some green beans. I think that's green beans or that's broccoli. I don't know. And then I got some chicken. And after that, I got some guacamole. Don't know what that is. And it was $56. And I feel like that was really expensive for 4 bowls and 4 drinks. Because who's buying 4 bowls for $56 and 4 drinks for $56? Definitely the price of 5 out of 10. Don't do it. Well, you should still go to the place. Okay, so now I'm going into the car. Because why not? Food was an 8 out of 10 too. That was actually kind of good. But the combinations were just not it. And they didn't have a whole bunch of options. Like they only had 4 options for each section of the store. So we each got our own drinks. The drinks were good. Like a 9.5 out of 10. That was really good. You know, I'm not trying to waste my money. So, of course, I gobbled up that food. Because who's trying to waste $56? Not me. So now we're at Crumble Cookie, picking up our cookies. Okay, so now I'm picking up my Crumble Cookies. Now we heading back to the car. I'm about to gobble up these cookies with my sisters. Because, about to be good. Okay, so now these are the cookies. That's the cookie that I got. And now we're in the car on the way to Georgia. It's like, what, a 7-hour drive. I didn't really feel like sitting in the car for that long. So that's why I drove. Because who doesn't want to drive? Well, I love to drive. So now, this is just me vlogging in the car. And I'm just rapping. Da-da-da. Okay, so this is my scenic view. And now it's dark. Where I'm driving in the dark for another like 4 hours. And then we finally made it to the hotel where I belong. Because, girl, I don't think you understand how tired I was. Girl, I was trying to sleep, and sleep times 10. This is us checking into the hotel. Now we walk into the room because why not? Like, girl, I'm trying to go to sleep. Because I'm tired of driving and I want to go to bed. So this is a little room tour for y'all, of course. Peace. No, not peace, like pose. And then now I'm walking around showing y'all. And look at my cute little feline friend. And then this is our view. Really cute. Now we went to Chili's because we were all hungry. And this the bill. Expensive for 4 people. But it was takeout. And now we back at the hotel. This is the next morning. I was on my way to breakfast. Probably really good. And this is my pool view. And now I made it to breakfast. Girl, I don't think y'all understand how good this food was. Like, it was like probably a 9.5 out of 10. Like, hotel breakfast is usually not good. But this one was good. I don't know the hotel name. I'm sorry. Girl, I'm sorry, but this food was so good. And now we on the way to the mall, the mall. Okay, so now we pulling up because that's what we do. We pull up, and now look at all the stores that they had in a single outlet, y'all. Like, look at all these different stores. Like, it's actually crazy. I've never seen this amount of stores in my life at once. So now this is us in Route 21 getting our stuff. This is me leaving Route 21, even though I'm older than 21, but who cares? Like, I'm dipping. Because I got the stuff that I needed, girl. So it's me and my sister walking to the new store. We back in Route 21 again. And now we wait in a longer line. And we're leaving the mall. And this is me at 3:47 because my dad keep on snoring at night. Like, he don't know when to stop snoring, so I couldn't sleep. So now this is just me chilling in the hotel room, looking at the night sky or whatever. This is me in the morning, getting ready for breakfast. Breakfast. Hey, breakfast. Hey, 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 hey. Breakfast. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, I'm sorry. But it's me just packing up my stuff now because, I already got the fit ready for the day. Because, I'm like that. And I'm just for real packing up. Because today's the day we're leaving. So might as well just leave in peace. And just get myself prepared for, Florida. Florida, Georgia. And this is the fit of the day. Okay. I'm staying too silent. I'm sorry. But this me brushing my teeth. Because y'all need to start brushing your teeth during the day. I know y'all don't brush your teeth. But I'm drying my mouth, to dry my hands, and now it's hair time. Just put some Got2b gel on my hair, just fixing up the edges, whatever. And I'm about to straighten my hair soon. Cause girl, who's not gonna straighten their hair? I'm a girl. I straighten my hair because I want to. But this is just me blow drying it. Excuse me. And now I'm just straightening it because why not? Who's not gonna straighten their hair like every single day? Mind you, this is a wig, so I'm not straightening my natural hair. Just FYI. So now just straightening the hair, very cute, very natural, very beautiful, very demure, very mindful. And just straighten on top, make sure it's flat. Like it's flatter than a piece of paper when it's crumbled. Okay. But now I'm just packing up all my hair products, my makeup. This my sister's just gathering, and now she's sitting on the couch. I feel like I don't gotta put this couch up in a couple seconds. But now I'm just like packing up my stuff and just like getting myself prepared for Florida. And also, I don't know if I'm gonna see my future husband in like the rest stations. So gotta make sure I smell good, look very beautiful. So I'm just putting on my shoes now, and now we're leaving. Now we're leaving. Okay, I'm not trying to be like Tyler Creator. I'm sorry, y'all. But now we're going to the elevator. This is one last view we get of the hotel. And this is the fit check. Fit check, fit check, Okay, and now we're in the elevator. And now we're going downstairs to go get some breakfast. But y'all know me, I bought some scissors, so you have to turn in them scissors, girl. So now I'm going to the breakfast section, getting my plate and my fork. So first what I get is some eggs. And then over I go to get some sausage. And after that I went to go get some cinnamon bagel bread. And after I went to go get some pancakes, because that's good. And then I got my bread. So now I'm going over to the table. Because why not? Like, I'm trying to eat. But my sister, I'm just talking to her. And they don't got no juice. The hotel don't got no juice, y'all. Y'all hear me? The hotel don't got juice. That is the most craziest thing I ever heard in my whole life. But now I'm just talking to my sister. And she's showing my other sister something. And now I went to go get some chocolate sauce. That's what it was. Yeah, I went to go get some chocolate sauce for for my pancakes and for the bread, cause I like it. It's good. So this is the food. Look pretty good. Very delicious. Very good, good, good. And now we're going back to go get some juice because they finally refilled it after like 20 years. So it's my sister getting some juice. And then when she was done, I forced her to give me some juice too. And then she didn't give me enough, so I had to refill it up to the top where I wanted it. So then this is me done getting with the food. So now we're about to leave the hotel in like 5 minutes. So I'm just throwing away the food or whatever. And this is me gathering my family. So I'm just getting up my family, trying to make sure they have their trash thrown away, make sure they're all together. And now we're going back up to the room, y'all. So then we could finally leave the hotel. And we had an amazing experience in Georgia.
Hey guys, this is Alicia. I know y'all see me looking sexy in that green little jacket back there. Y'all see my booty? Do it look like I go to the gym? Let me stop. But I had to get the hotel room together, so that's what we're doing right now. Chrissy, the only one helping me because she's clutch. Not shout out to anybody else in that room. But you see, we getting everything together, getting ready to leave. It's 10:02 right now. We're about to head down to the lobby, give up the key and stuff. We're walking down. Yep. Here we are getting ice, because we're going on a road trip, making sure that we stacked up for the whole way back. 6-hour drive is insane. So that's what we're doing, filling up all the water bottles. Yep. And now we're about to go down the stairs.
My bad before I was rudely interrupted. Georgia was really good. I'd rate Georgia a 10 out of 10 because, we got to see family that we usually don't get to see often. It was just really great and fun. So now I'm heading down to the car. Well, Christy's heading down to the car. So Christy just heading down to the car, getting the whip ready for the ride. Okay, but now I'm going into the car, open the trunk for me. I'm not opening the trunk by myself because I'm just a girl in the world. And now I'm just packing it up. Me and my sister are packing it up because what? Like, who doesn't want to get their car organized and ready? Peace out.
But I need done my homework because I don't want to send it lately. So I'm almost done. I just have one to do. I just need to translate because I'm writing in French. I have more inspiration in French. Qui est-ce qui boucle? Bon, donc je vais faire non? Oh, Winnie l'ourson! Il a pensé à Vem. Oh, ça! Digga, ouais, ou côté toi? Yeah! Ça bon? Qui bagaille? Il est bon. Yeah! Il a pensé à Vem. Yeah, but il fait ça. Et puis aussi, lui fait trop bon. Oui, mais c'est le grand de la grande. C'est ça qui est bon. 12 mois, 0,3 mois. Le gain ça, tout, pantalon comme ça. 0,3 mois. That's cute. Gain bagage ça, like 0,3 mois. Like il gain pantalon en l'air, bonnet. D'accord? Bonnet? Non, mais women?
Et on prend plus gros, mais dit
0,3 mois.
on prend 6 mois plutôt. C'est ça.
6 mois? Oh, just.
Eh bien, quand il y en a ça, il y a 3 à 6 mois.
Yeah. That's cute.
Ça l'a suffit?
Yeah. When someone gonna pregnant me, bro, like when I gonna have my baby? Look at this. Where is my baby? But I want two twins, like one girl or one man, or two boy, two baby, cutie boy, and curly hair.
Oui, mamie dit la grandi la donne.
Look at her.
Même si pas la grandi.
Attendez, elle grandit, la grandit.
Oui, elle grandit, la grandi.
Et puis, ouais, elle y allait. Jeune, non.
Yeah, okay, so let's go. No time to waste. On cherche un monde pour moi?
Non, on va chercher mon monde.
Vraiment. Essaye de faire bon mon monde. Si on va chercher monde pour moi, on va pas me marier, on va me battre. On va me gagner grand-pa. On va me grand-pa.
On va chercher mon monde. Bon Dieu, bon.
Oh wow. Quel père. Donc tu ne m'aimes pas en tant que fille. Ah. Tu ne veux pas devenir grand-père. Non? Non? Tu veux du chocolat? Grand-père? Eh bien, parce que vous mouillez là? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, is it because you love me?
I hate you, I love you, blah 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 blah. Parce que moi, j'ai mon cas en France, qui sont en France, ils ne vont pas penser à eux. Ils ne vont pas porter chocolat, ils ne vont pas porter petit.
Dis-moi pas les grands-pères, dis-moi
Pas les grands-pères.
Pas les grands-pères. Dis-le après, dis-moi je cherche mon monde, dis le bon Dieu pour tuer pour le ballon monde.
Eh bien, c'est bien.
Ah oui, ça livre les petits monde, dis le petit monde dans de bonnes conditions.
Quelles conditions?
Ah, là on fait ici faire un petit monde. Ou pas que papa avec les papa qui passe.
Voilà,
Malheureusement.
pas de misère. Qu'est-ce qu'on appelle ici?
Et grand mon noyer? Oui! Ah, gain beau. Amen. Simple. Comme on parle de grand-père, m'a béni au chocolat. Il peut appeler une grand-père, il dit comme ça, Tracy, enjoy your life. Bon pour ça. Comment ça va? Comme ça. Si on fait une visite, on va dire, comme on va à Florida. Si j'en peux connaître. Comment ça? Moi, il en fait ça. Tu es grand-père. Ça veut dire. Quelle réaction après un vrai simple par un petit monde par
Réaction après.
Yeah.
Maintenant ça arrive avec.
Je ne vais pas présenter aucun monde, juste de consommer ça.
Le soir aussi, qu'on va faire.
Oh,
Ça c'est le soir.
et du coup, quelles conséquences après?
Moi-même. Oh, eh bien, au cap de responsabilité, on va même cap
Ou pas pédé?
Jamais.
Ah! You broke my heart. You hate me. Papa ti moun nan pa la, on a quitté beaucoup de monde. Non, pas sérieux. Like, non, mais faut me connaître. Like, si. Yeah.
Mais elle va me dire non, fini.
Comment ça, non? On peut quitter le vino à la caillou. Oh, on tout raïm là. Pour un petit monde qui va demander rien. Oh. Non, petit monde n'a pas jamais demandé rien. Sauf un petit monde au fait parce qu'à propre conscience. Yeah. Et ça, quand même, pas le petit monde qu'on est, on voulait finir l'école moi avant. Et faire business moi avant.
C'est la meilleure des choses.
Bien sûr. Yeah. Time to eat.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, Leon. It was nice seeing you.
I'm driving.